Eid Mubarak and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this Eid look for you guys and I'm loving this pop of red. So if you guys are interested in how I did this look, please continue watching and enjoy.
Don't forget to stay till the end because I will be showing you my full outfit. I'm going to start off by using this Anastasia brow definer pencil in the color dark brown. I'm going to just fill in my brows with this. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color light medium honey, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid and also underneath my brow bone and just blend that out with a beauty blender. For today's look, I'm going to be using this ColourPop palette called Fortune, and for my lid, I'm going to use the color Ben and just apply that all over. Taking my crease brush, I'm going to take the color More Problems and just apply that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the color 500 and Fortune and I'm going to focus that more on the outer V and I'm going to just blend that out. With a fluffier brush, I'm going to go back in with the color More Problems and I'm going to just blend everything out. Besides using a brush, I'm going to take my finger and for the lid, I'm going to apply the color Oracle and just apply that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the color Stacks and I'm going to just apply that in the middle. And then I'm going to just blend everything out really well. And then for my inner corner and for my brow bone, I'm going to take the color Cream and just apply that. Using my Makeup Wipe, I'm going to just clean out all the excess powder and then I'm going to move on to eyeliner. As you all know, this is my favorite eyeliner that I only use. This is the L'Oreal Inflammable 24 Hour Stay Eyeliner and I'm going to just give myself a small wing. Next, I'm going to apply the Professional Primer all over my face and then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Foundation in the color Latte and just apply that with a brush. I'm going to take this Born This Way concealer in the color Light and apply that underneath my eyes, on my nose, some on my chin and on my forehead. And then taking my beauty blender, I'm going to take the Mario Badescu spray and just blend that out. For contouring, besides just making a line, I'm going to take my bronzer brush and then just apply that on top of the contour stick in the color Mink and I'm going to put that all over my face, on my cheeks, on my forehead, also on my chin and some on my nose. For baking, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty baking powder in the color Pound Cake and I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, some on my nose, on my smile line, on my chin, and on my forehead. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take the color 500 and Fortune. I'm going to just pack that on. For my waterline, I'm going to take this nude color from Wet n Wild and I'm going to just pull my eye down with my beauty blender and just apply that on. And then I'm going to take off the excess powder that I had and just blend it all out. Taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm going to just bronze on my face using Subconscious. For blush, I'm going to apply this Too Faced blush and I'm going to pack this on the way I would bronze my face and also I'm going to put some on my nose. For highlighting, I'm going to take this highlight from Becca in the color Opal, apply that on the high points of my cheeks, on my forehead, on my nose, and some on my cupid's bow. Now, of course, I'm not going to forget my Mirror Luminizer. I'm going to just also apply that on the same areas that I had applied the Opal. For mascara, I'm going to use the Super Fan Mascara from Smashbox and I'm going to just apply that on the top and bottom. If you want to apply falsies, you can also do that. Of course, there's no Eid look without an Eid outfit. For my lips, I'm going to outline using the Huda Beauty lip contour in the color Cheerleader, and then I'm going to just fill up my lips from this Fenty Beauty lipstick in the color Uncensored.
लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हसदिया ओ लगदी पंजाब दिया जिस हिसाब ना तकदिया ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हसदिया कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हसदिया ओ लगदी पंजाब दिया जिस हिसाब ना